Pursuing a PhD offers individual a unique opportunity to enhance their knowledge, skills, and impact in helping others navigate personal challenges, mental health issues, and life transitions. First point is understanding the importance of a PhD in counseling education. A PhD in counseling education holds immense value as it equips professionals with advanced knowledge and research skills necessary to excel in the field. Through rigorous academic study, individuals gain a deep understanding of counseling theories, practices, and ethical standards. The second one is the role of research in counseling education. Research forms the foundation of counseling education, and a PhD program emphasizes its significance. Doctoral students engage in scholarly research, exploring emerging trends, conducting empirical studies, and evaluating counseling interventions. The third content is exploring specializations in counseling education. Within the realm of counseling education, PhD programs offer various specializations to cater to diverse interest and career goals. These may include marriage and family therapy, school counseling, clinical mental health counseling, and counselor education and supervision. Specializations allow individuals to focus their expertise, preparing them for specific roles within the counseling field. Another major point is a comprehensive look at PhD curriculum. PhD programs in counseling education typically encompass a wide range of courses designed to enhance theoretical knowledge, research skills, and counseling competencies. The curriculum often includes core courses such as counseling theories, ethics, and multicultural issues, along with advanced seminars and electives specific to the chosen specialization. Fifth one is dissertation, a culminating research project. A significant component of a PhD program is the completion of a dissertation, which requires original research in the field of counseling education. Doctoral candidates work closely with faculty mentors to develop research questions, collect and analyze data, and present their findings. Another important program is gaining practical experience, internship, and practicums to bridge theory and practice. PhD programs in counseling education often incorporate internship and practicums. These hands on experiences allow students to work directly with clients, applying their counseling skills in real world settings. Seventh is navigating the admissions process. The admission process for PhD program in counseling education typically involves multiple steps, including submitting application materials, letters of recommendations, transcripts, and a statement of purpose. Additionally, some programs may require candidates to complete interviews or admission exams. Moreover, the main point is also career prospects for PhD graduates in counseling education. A PhD in counseling education opens up diverse career paths for graduates. They can pursue academic positions as professors or researchers, serve as consultant in private practice or community organizations. Additionally, PhD graduates often take leadership roles in counseling associations, guiding the profession and shaping its future. Moving on, online PhD program in counseling education. Recognizing the evolving needs of students, many universities now offer online PhD programs in counseling education. These programs provide flexibility and accessibility, allowing individuals to pursue advanced education while balancing personal and professional commitments. Online PhD programs often incorporate virtual classrooms, interactive coursework, and collaborative research. Concluding it, I'll highlight PhD counseling education equips with professionals, research skills, and practical experience necessary to make a significant impact in the field. From specialized knowledge to advanced research opportunities, pursuing a PhD opens door to diverse career paths and positions individuals as leaders in counseling education. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are profound, empowering graduates to positively influence the lives of others.